All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about market structure and a neat little indicator that you can use to help visualize market structure if you're somebody who struggles to see the higher high, lower low, stuff like that. The indicator is called a zigzag on most charting platforms. For the settings on the zigzag indicator, they don't really have to be exact. You really just want to get it to a point where it's finding all the strongest highs and lows. You don't want it to be giving you too many variations, right? You don't want to see every single little dip in price being a low and every single small high being a high. You want it to really catch those major moves. So just adjust your settings to where it looks comfortable to you. Right now, if you're on Addis, I'm using a setting of about 40 on ES and a setting of about 50 on NASDAQ. So basically what we're looking at here is when you're watching market structure, you really want to pay attention to when price is putting in a higher high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, stuff like that. And if you use the zigzag indicator, it makes it a lot easier to see that. And one thing that I like to do with the zigzag on Addis is I like to have it show me the delta of that move. So like this move here, you can see that there's positive 700 delta, that move there, positive 300, negative 400, so on and so forth. And what this can actually show you is divergence. So when we have these lower highs or lower lows, we can see, does that move have proper delta? For example, if we're putting in a higher high, delta should be going up. If we're putting in a lower low, delta should be going down. Let's take a look at today's example. We had this push down here, but during this entire push down, the delta is actually going up. So that gave us a little signal that delta is rising on a move down, aka there is a bullish divergence there. I have other shorts on that. I can't really get into that in this video, but basically bullish divergence means that there's a lot of buy pressure there, possibly forming a bottom, and you could look to be a buyer around that level. So if you're somebody who struggles to visualize the market structure, I highly recommend using an indicator like a zigzag, which will show you where those highs and lows are forming.